Check it out. Look at that. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Flying right here. As you can see, we're out with the crew. Another awesome ride for you this morning. We're gonna go check out a bunch of the local spots in our area. The crew's never been there, so we're taking you along for the ride. We've got Steve, Nadal, Glenn, Nadal, David, and Brandon in the house. That's the crew today. Everybody good? Let's go. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Fly and Ride. On this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, product reviews, product upgrades, flying my DJI Mavic 2, showing you cinematic drone footage, all on my 2020 Streetfly CBO Sand Dune that you see right here. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as the channel continues to grow. Also remember to hit that like button, it really does help out the channel. And remember to hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. So we're taking you to a bunch of spots. We're going to launch a drone a bunch of times, showing you all the bikes like we always like to do. So enjoy. Hudson Moto Visuals, Mr. David in the house. A little off-road here. There you go, adventure boys. Alright, check it out. Look at that. Come on, let's see that going there. Alright, we're gonna stop here for a little second. This is Thompson Park, beautiful lake. I've got the crew here with me. These adventure boys wanted to test out the adventure bikes, so we figured we start here. All right, we'll catch you here shortly. All right, everybody. We are at one of our first stops today. See the crew back here. You saw the adventure boys having some fun, little off-road action here this morning. They got this beautiful, beautiful lake right here behind us. Beautiful. It's actually starting to warm up this morning. So we're going to keep going. I'm going to take these boys to a bunch of different spots that we ride around here in the central southern New Jersey area. Hopefully you're enjoying the ride. We'll launch a drone a little bit later on and show you some new areas that I haven't shown you yet. We're on location here in Thompson Park with the crew. All right. So we're going to head to another one of our spots. All right, let's go. Adventure boys having some fun. All right, Dave, let's see. First impressions, what do you think?
This is the second time he was in John's video, now he'll be in yours.
Look at this.
Look at this right there.
Man.
Nice size.
I shouldn't have said that out loud. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah?
Good.
Glenn, what do you think? Yeah? All right, quick little pit stop for breakfast. I'm digging in. We just finished having breakfast at that spot. You would have seen it in my other videos. I had to take the crew here. They loved it. Sandy, you missed another free breakfast. So we're going to take them to another one of the spots, Mount Mitchell Outlook, and then we're going to go hit Sandy Hook. We're doing it like Mr. Paying It Forward told us to do it. This is how you roll up in a parking lot and park. So I'm going to launch the drone and show you from here Sandy Hook, because you can't fly the drone in Sandy Hook. But we're in an airspace where we can fly it here. So I'm going to launch it now and show you that here real quick. And then we'll take you to the same place I'm about to show you from the air on the motorcycles. Stay tuned. nice aerial view. We're gonna ride now to where I just showed you on the drone, and then I'm gonna show you the 360 view. David from Hudson MOTOVisuals has got my 360, and we're gonna show you that view now. So we were just up there by that building. That's where we were. And then I flew the drone that way, and then it showed you this whole area from up there. And now we're riding right through it. This video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also remember to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as the channel continues to grow. And remember to hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.